Re-leveled. This here is the elevator at the Elks Lodge in Clinton, Missouri. It's been a while since I last checked up on this elevator. It's an Otis with Series 5 fixtures. There's your fixtures right there. Indicator, fire service controls. There's your lantern, position indicator. Let's get a cab view. This is a very big elevator. Two-speed door. This elevator rattles a lot. Let's go up to 2. Here we are at 2. This is where the lodge is. Let's go back down to 1. Basement is locked. You need a key card for it. Alrighty, let's go back up to 2. Here we are at 2. If you look right here, I'll go ahead and open the door again. The door is counterweighted. I've never seen a counterweighted door on an elevator before. That is pretty cool. Anyway, let's go back down to 1. There it goes. And that's it.